Skincare, skincare, skincare. I have a slight love affair with skincare. Hey everybody, today I have filmed a sexy skincare tutorial. Valentine's Day may be over, but that does not mean that the pampering and the sexiness should stop just because a day on the calendar has passed. So I've filmed a skincare tutorial that promotes self-love, self-pampering, and just a little bit of sex appeal. So let's get started. So I'm starting this routine off by removing my makeup. I'm using Lancome's by Facil, and this is for all over the face. This is a two-phase product that features micellar water as well as an oil layer. This is going to help to remove even waterproof makeup and liquid lipstick. As you can see, I'm able to remove my lipstick, foundation, liner, everything in just a few cotton pads. For my moisturizer, I'm using the Vichy Mineral 89. This is one of my favorite moisturizers because this lightweight gel moisturizer just leaves my skin feeling so hydrated and so refreshed. And I massage this all over the face and the neck. Now for my masking routine, this is the part of the routine. This is the part of the routine that becomes sexy. I'm using the Starskin Lifting Lace Revamping Melt Away Lace Eye Mask. This has a unique skin activating gel, melting gel serum which rejuvenates the skin with lifting and ultra brightening ingredients. This eye mask stays cool to help promote circulation, and it helps to fight dark circles and refresh tired eyes. It also combats fine lines and smooths wrinkles and crow's feet. I personally love that it has a sexy lace design. On my lips, I'm going to be applying the Starskin Dream Kiss. This is a plumping and hydrating biocellulose lip mask. This is really simple to use. You just place it on the lips. It feels like a second skin, and it also is very cooling on the lips. It instantly plumps, nourishes, softens, and smooths lips, visibly diminishing fine lip lines and wrinkles. It's very easy to use, and it contains coconut biocellulose to give a superior fit, and it delivers results in just 15 minutes. To finish up, I'm going to add just a little bit of extra hydration with the EOS Crystals Lip Balm in the flavor Hibiscus Peach. This is a waxless product that contains a nourishing blend of 5 natural oils to hydrate lips without the heavy feel of wax. Because let's face it, when I think sexy lips, I think bare and hydrated. So as you saw, this skincare tutorial is the ultimate way to get kissably soft lips, and according to my crystal ball, my EOS crystal ball, I believe that all of you ladies watching out there, according to my crystal ball that is, all of you ladies, and maybe even some gentlemen, you're all beautiful and amazing, but no matter how beautiful and amazing you guys are, you still gotta take care of your skin. So as you saw, some of these products have a little bit of sex appeal, like the lace mask that just screamed like, Mr. Grey, I'm ready for you. And of course some lip pumping, hydrating lip mask. So as you saw, these two products together and just some cleansing and moisturizing, your skin is going to feel like a baby's bottom. It's gonna scream, touch me, touch me, touch me. You're gonna wanna swim in it. These products are going to make your skin feel amazing, even if you just like having fresh, healthy looking skin. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this skincare tutorial. Have you ever tried any of these products? Which ones were your favorite? Leave me some comments below. If there's anything specific that you guys want to see, please be sure to leave me a comment there as well. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. If you're not already, head over to my Instagram at Recycled Stardust. Give me a follow. I'm always posting my swatches, reviews, outfits. I'm even venturing into food, and of course my makeup looks, which feature my makeup recipe that gives you a detailed step-by-step, like, itemized list of all the products I've used to create that specific look. And also sometimes I post mini versions of my YouTube videos. So if you want something, a quick dose of Recycled Stardust or a quick dose of the Cosmetolic, you can head over to my Instagram and check that out. And of course, as always guys, thank you so much for watching.